typhoon. Typhoon nhá số Tây. Typhoon hit South China, China Sea, Taiwan, Vietnam, Cambodia, Myanmar, Laos. All hit the Southeast Asia. Torrential rain. Typhoon, strongest typhoon, tropical storm. Tropical storm apocalypse, destroy entire houses, villages, country, town, business, resident, everything gone, everything destroyed. Village may become river, house gone, car be washed away, bridge washed away. Very, very danger. But all people evacuate to the highland. Evacuate to the highland. 2 million in Taiwan, million in China, and some in Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia. These floods are really, really strong. Strongest typhoon. Strongest typhoon. Strongest typhoon rainfall. Flood everywhere. Flood everywhere, and people all evacuate. People all evacuate to highland. This is a helicopter. This is sea. This is a landslide. Landslide, tree all gone. Tree about to fall down. Tree about to fall down. Bridge about to fall down. Very, very strong. But people still up on the bridge. Still want to see. Still videoing. And very scary. Very scary. 2025 strongest typhoon hit Southeast Asia.